everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I had a different video planned to film today, but my skin just decided to work against me and I'm having a little bit of an eczema flare-up around my eye, so I wasn't able to do what I wanted to do, but hopefully next week I'll be back with my go-to smoky eye liner look. It's really fun. I'll put a picture up right here of what it kind of looks like, so you'll have something to look forward to. But I thought since my skin's working against me, I should just do an updated skincare routine / how I manage my eczema. Might not be for everybody, but I know that when I started getting eczema and struggling with it, it was really helpful to find things online, to find what has worked for some people and what doesn't work for others. So hopefully this is helpful to someone out there that's also struggling, and if not, maybe you'll learn something new. So if you want to see what my skincare routine looks like and what I use when I need a little bit of extra help, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna start with the shower. So these two things are actually relatively new to me and I've already noticed such a difference. This is actually a baby product. This is the Dove Baby Dermacare Soothing Wash, and it is something that is approved by the National Eczema Association. This is a really big thing you guys want to look for if you're looking for something to help you if you have really sensitive, dry, eczema-prone skin. Make sure that the Eczema Association approves it because it's just gonna really help you. The only problem I have with this is that it's very small because hello, it's for a baby, but I haven't run through it yet, which is good. It really leaves like this protective layer on my skin, which I love. Like even after I get out of the shower, I feel like, I don't know, everything's just protected and it's really nice, and the smell is like no smell, which I really appreciate. So yes, and it's also tear-free, so if you're somebody that accidentally splashes yourself in the face, then you're good to go. This won't hurt you. And it's made with 100% natural ingredients, has no paraben, sulfates, dyes, steroids, fragrance, anything like that. So this is really, really nice. I think I found mine at Target, but I'm sure you could find this anywhere. 10 out of 10. So a newer thing that I've been struggling with is I've been getting eczema like patches on my scalp, and it's so irritating because then it looks like you have like dandruff or flaky skin, and I just like have never had to deal with that before, so I panicked and I actually found this on TikTok. This is the HASK shampoo. I use the conditioner also, but I'm just going to show you guys the shampoo. It's the tea tree oil and rosemary invigorating shampoo, and it says it refreshes and soothes the scalp. This is so good, you guys. It smells amazing, by the way, in the shower. It is a little strong. If you don't like tea tree or rosemary, this might be a little much for you. However, once your hair is dry, you can't smell it at all, which I really appreciate. And it makes your scalp like have this cooling sensation. I'm obsessed. I love this, and it's really helped my scalp already. Like I had really bad all around my hairline. I don't know, I think it's because I was wearing a hat and it was hot. My life, I can't catch a break. So this is 10 out of 10 if you're having any issues with your scalp. I'm sure this also helps if you just have like dry skin or dandruff, anything scalp related. This is amazing. I found it at Target, and also really reasonably priced. I want to say it was like around $10, which is incredible, so recommend this one. After the shower, I literally lather myself in this CERAVE healing ointment, and it is thick. I'm not gonna lie, it's a very thick thing. Like I'll show you guys. It's like Vaseline essentially, but it feels so nice and it just soaks into my skin. I would not recommend, like if you're a morning shower person, I don't think I would put this on and then like get dressed and go. Like it's pretty thick and it needs a while to soak in, but I also do put on a lot, so I think you could probably alter it if you needed to use it in the morning. But this is also something that's approved by the National Eczema Association, and it really calms down any flare-ups I have. Like you can't really tell because I'm wearing a little bit of makeup, but I have like a really bad patch right here, and I just put like a little tiny dollop right there, and it just soothes it instantly and creates a barrier so I could put makeup on top if I wanted to, or I would just leave it alone. I love this. This has saved my life. My legs used to get so itchy. Not anymore, so I love this stuff. It also comes in a squeezy tube, but since I use it so much and so much of it every single time, I have this giant tub. It's really good. Let's talk about cleansers. So I know I talked about this last time. This is the Purity face wash from Philosophy. I still use this. I clean my beauty blender with this, and I also use this as the second step in removing my makeup. So I love this stuff. It has no smell to me. I'm not sure if it is fragrance free. Yeah, it just has a fresh scent, but honestly it's really subtle and it doesn't irritate my skin, which means it's pretty good because my skin is very fickle. This is what it says it does. It claims to deep clean pores and eliminate makeup. Really good at that. It hydrates as it melts away makeup. True. Natural oil. Fragrance free. Oh, okay. Fragrance free. I'm stupid. Okay. And yeah, it says it has a fresh scent, but it's also fragrance free, which it's a little confusing. But anyway, I wouldn't say this has an overwhelming scent at all. I love this stuff. It really cleans my sponge very well, and I really like it as my second step. So let me show you guys what I use for my first step. This is incredible. This is the SLAAI, I do not know if I'm saying that correctly, Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser from Drunk Elephant. It comes with this cute little scoopy that's magnetic, and this is what it looks like. It's basically like any kind of balm, like the Clinique Take Off the Day balm. I'm assuming it's the same idea. I just love this stuff, and it truly does not, like, it's not pulling at your face like a makeup wipe. I used to use makeup wipes. This is just so much better for your face and your eye area, and it gets off pretty much everything, like even waterproof. The Glamnetic liner can be a little tricky to get off, and this stuff works very, very well, especially combined with the Purity face wash together. It gets off all my makeup, and then by the time I'm at my cleanser, it's just my bare skin, which is exactly what you want. Double cleansing is really good for anyone who's never done it before. It's a really good way to make sure your skin is clean. I triple cleanse because I'm psychotic, but anybody can give it a go. Last cleanser, this is new to me, but as you can see, I've already used half of it and I love it. This is the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser from Youth to the People. I love that it's a pump. It's also a glass reusable bottle, so when you buy like another round of it, it just goes right into here, so that's really good for the environment. 10 out of 10, thank you. This is so good. This has eliminated my night and day cleanser, and I use this both now, night and day. It's really gentle. You can use it on your eyes. I just find that it gets like a really good clean on my face without stripping away anything, and I'm not overly dry after I wash, because I used to use like charcoal and all that stuff, and while that helps with acne, honestly, I haven't had any acne problems, but I think that's due to something that I'm going to talk about next. This stuff is incredible. It never broke me out when I was trying it. I was a little nervous about trying a new cleanser, but the stuff is so, so good. If you're looking to try a new cleanser, I really recommend this one. Let's talk night routine. Okay, I am not joking. This stuff I'm about to show you guys has changed my life. That sounds so dramatic, but I'm being serious. As someone who has struggled with acne and acne scarring and sensitive skin for years, this is the only thing that has actually changed the texture of my skin in a positive way. And now I'm way more comfortable wearing literally no makeup out all the time. And people have been complimenting me on my skin, which is new to me. Normally that's not a compliment I'm getting. So this is the SHANI DARDEN Retinol Reform. It is so good, you guys. You just use this with your nighttime moisturizer. It's got multiple anti-aging benefits with minimal dryness and irritation, often experienced with other retinol products. Yes. It helps boost skin's elasticity and improve cell turnover to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, uneven tone, dullness, blemishes, and acne scars. It also contains lactic acid, which helps to brighten and smooth the skin, so you get both immediate benefits and long-term results. It's an essential treatment for glowing, youthful looking skin. Yes. All of that? Yes. I'm obsessed. I'm never going back to anything else. Truly, I had such a hard time. I was using the Drunk Elephant retinol and it was just really making my eczema flare up. I would get these tiny red patches on my skin and it was so frustrating. Even when I was like being really slow with using it, because you're supposed to like ease into a retinol. But this stuff, so good. It has not irritated my eczema whatsoever. And it's amazing. I love this. I use 2 pumps of this and then I wait a little, like a few minutes, and I like go like this to my face. And then I will put on this, oh god, I'm gonna mess up. Caudalie? It's French, I don't know. And this is my nighttime moisturizer. This does have a scent, however, once you apply it, it does go away. It's very nice, very thick cream. It kind of reminds me, I used to use the Lotus, the Fresh Lotus cream. It's like a really similar consistency to that. And I really like it. I think it's helping my neck, you know, trying to firm everything up. I'm getting there in my late 20s, so gotta keep things looking good. But honestly, you guys, I mean, I have makeup on right now, but my texture has improved so much from the SHANI DARDEN stuff. I can't recommend it enough. I also have her eye cream. They sent this to me, which was so nice. I love it just as much as I love the retinol serum. The eye cream is amazing. You can use this morning and night. And lately I've just been using it in the morning. I don't know why, my eyes get more sensitive at nighttime, but it's really good. And I have noticed that my eyes are brighter and there's less creasing happening down here. So SHANI DARDEN skincare will change your life. It's at Sephora now, so go check it out. And they're about to have the Sephora sale, so if you're like, oh, it's kind of expensive, I don't know, hit it up for the Sephora sale. Get your money's worth. It's so good, you will not regret it. Last 2 skincare products are things I use in the day, and I go in with they're both from Glow Recipe, from the same line. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Toner. It's a pore tightening and refining and hydrating toner. Love this stuff. I don't use a cotton pad. I literally just put it on my hand and pat it onto my skin. Do this again. Give it a second to dry. It's so good. And then I use the Watermelon Glow Moisturizer after that. They're both really good. They are scented, but not in extremely aggressive ways where it doesn't irritate my skin. And it does leave a beautiful glow. I highly recommend this stuff. I haven't tried anything else from Glow Recipe, I don't believe. Yeah, I don't think so. But I really do like this stuff so much. And it sits under makeup really well. And it also sits alone really well. So get these. And the packaging's really cute. Like, it's these beautiful glass bottles with like texture on them. Aesthetically pleasing, which always is a winner to be. So check these out if you haven't already. And this is gonna sound so silly. I'm sure you guys hear this all the time, but water! You guys, water is your best friend if you're trying to help your skin or just like feel better in general. Chug water. Water will change your life. I carry around, I have like 3 hydro flasks at this point. Also, who doesn't want a hydro flask? You can put all your fun stickers on there and show everybody what you're about. I love drinking water. I know not everybody does. Maybe get one of those like apps that tracks your water intake. I remember people at work used to have one that like you water your plant when you drink your water, which is kind of cute. Or have a water buddy. Like have someone that you text and be like, did you drink your water yet? I know it sounds weird. I promise you it's good. And water is good for you. Get into it, okay? I think that's it. Sorry I went on my water rant. And that is my updated skincare routine / how I handle my eczema. Honestly, you guys, this wasn't the video I intended to make today, but I kind of really like doing it. I love sharing things that help me in hopes that they help you, so that's why I created this channel, and this is a nice video. Let me know if you suffer with sensitive skin or eczema or acne or any of that. I am right there with you, so if any of these can help you, that would make my heart so happy. And I just want to give a big thank you to anybody who submitted a testimonial for me for the Sephora squad. I got over 60 testimonials, which is insane. I fully was not expecting that. I'll keep you guys updated on what happens with that. I believe we find out something mid-April and then it ends in May, so I'll let y'all know how I do. Even if I don't get it, just having the support of so many people meant the world to me, especially just starting out this channel and trying to gain traction and, you know, find my place in this YouTube crazy world. So thank you guys again always for being here. Thank you for subscribing. Check out my Instagram if you haven't already. I have it linked down below. And I promise I will be back next week with my smoky eye tutorial. So since you won't want to miss that, hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload that video. That's all I got for now. So I will see you guys next week. Bye!